The MooMoo app is an interesting investing platform. It gives you several features and information inside the app. It also has a pretty interesting referral program where you can get 2 free stocks just for referring others, and they will get 2 free stocks too. But how exactly do you invite people? If you're curious about that, then keep watching. Hello everyone, this is Elijah of Financial Anatomy, coming at you with another video on how to take control of your financial destiny. On this channel we talk about personal finance, ways to make money online, side hustles, investing, and apps that involve money in any form. And in this video we're going to be talking about the MooMoo app, specifically their referral program and how do you invite people. So for those of y'all that don't know what MooMoo is, it's an investing platform that you can use to invest in the stock market. If you want to know a more detailed overview of what MooMoo has to offer, you want to check out the review that I did on them where I explain the details of the app and the platform itself as far as what it has to offer you, the investor. In this video though, we're going to be talking about the referral program and how to invite people. Assuming you've already signed up and you have an account with MooMoo, you can actually invite other people to sign up to use the app too. And if you do so, both of y'all can have the opportunity to get 2 free stocks. And since they have the potential to be valued between $8,000 and $1,000, that can end up being pretty lucrative for both of y'all. Of course, you got to know exactly where to find your referral link inside the app and how to do it. So we're going to move over to the phone so I can visually show you how to do that. So let's move on to the phone. Starting out, we want to open the MooMoo app up. Then we're going to click on the Me tab in the bottom right hand corner. Then we want to scroll to the bottom and click on where it says free stocks. Once we click on that, you want to go ahead and claim your free stock, assuming you haven't claimed yours yet, so we'll show you how to exactly do that. So we want to scroll down, and if you have any stocks you haven't claimed, you're going to see unclaimed free stock. Click on go to draw. Just tap this bubble looking machine and it's going to do a spin for you, and it's going to pick a random stock for you. And poof, we see the stock that I was awarded. Obviously yours may be different based on what promotion is going on at that time. I'm going to exit out of that, and now we're going to show you how to actually invite people. So you see where it says invite friends. We want to click on that button. And then we have a few options. You can send via message, email, or you can click more for more options, or you can just copy the link. I've copied the link and I just send the link to people, to those who are interested. Just so you know what the link looks like, I pasted it in my notes so you can just have an idea what it looks like. You might want to include instructions as to what to do, or you can send them the MooMoo review so they can see the sign up process and get their free stocks, and you can get your free stocks as well. Now we see the buttons at the bottom. You can monitor your invites. You see my invites. That will show how many invites you have in the query. And you can click on my rewards to see the invites that you've already done. Ka-ching! You now know how to invite your friends on the MooMoo app so that both of y'all can get some free stocks and have a platform that y'all can use to invest in the stock market. And speaking of that subject, if you have an interest in the MooMoo platform but you haven't signed up yet, you can do so using the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Everything I've been talking about this whole video applies if you do choose to sign up as far as the free stocks. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, as well as subscribe if you're new and hit that bell notification if you want to be notified when I drop another video about MooMoo. And a thumbs up on the video is greatly appreciated if you found value. I will catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.